CDC considers contact to be being within 6 feet of an individual who is either symptomatic, known to have COVID, or is asymptomatic and known to have COVID, with or without a mask. So passing someone who is or may be ill in the hallway does not necessarily put you at risk. And you may not be contacted, even if that individual does turn out to have, to be positive for COVID. You're walking past them, being in the same building or even in the same room at some period of time before or after the individual does not put you at high enough risk. The only people we would contact would be the people that were in contact, close contact or proximity to the individual. And that's what we would ask the individual to tell us. Who have you been in touch with? Who have you contacted that would meet these criteria? Because this is such a new illness and there's so much uncertainty, it's best to rely on the experts, and the experts would be health services. So in my mind, it would be send the individual home, contact health services, ensure the individual knows to contact health services when they get home so that they can give health services much more detail than they may have to their supervisor. The fact that the health pledge is really all-encompassing and all-inclusive, it's hard not to think about your family and your coworkers, because ultimately, without them, where would we be? And to some of us, I know myself, I could speak for myself as a mom, anything happening to my children would be devastating to me. So I'm very cautious about what I do around my family. And at the same way, I don't want anything to happen to the people that I work with. So I think that's very common out there. And I think we're seeing that by the number of people who are coming on site and filling out the weekly screening. I think that coupled with the health pledge is just a great tool for us to show, again, trust, respect, and mutual understanding that we're going to do the same thing and we're going to take care of one another as well as ourselves.